Hello everybody, my name is Sonia, Nan with a Backpack, and just recently I was contacted by a lovely lady from a company called BAGSMART, and they asked me if I would like to take a look at their new set of backpacks. They haven't told me what to say, they just sent me the backpacks and have asked for my opinion. So how about we sit and have a look at this little backpack together? I am extremely impressed with this backpack. As you all know, I have just come back from a year and a half of traveling. So I have picked up a fair amount of stuff. So I have just been upstairs and unpacked my backpack and brought down everything that if I was leaving again tomorrow, this is what I would pack. And as I'm bringing it down the stairs, I'm thinking to myself, there is absolutely no chance that this is fitting in to this 28-litre backpack. I was wrong, because everything that I want to take is now in this 28-litre backpack. I am super impressed. I've put it on. I've had a little wander around with it. The bag itself is so lightweight. I'm actually lost for words. Let's unpack this bag so that you can see exactly what it is that I've managed to fit in. You're not going to believe it. I'm going to start at the top and work down. So in this top pocket is my washing line. And I've had to buy a new one because my old one broke. And this one has come and it's really quite bulky. So that fits in the front. Got to work out where the pockets are now. There are quite a few. On this side pocket here, I have put my electricals in here. And it's got lots of things. It's got my GoPro and wires and stuff in there. Oh, first of all, in the bottom, I have put my umbrella because there's two little drainage holes, and I just kind of thought in case it was wet, and yes, that fits in there. In the top here, I have got my towels because this feels like a waterproof thing, and I thought, well, if I take a shower before I leave my hostel, I don't want my towels getting everything else wet. So I have the very fine towel here. I have got another very small little hand towel. And I have got my microfiber towel here. And that is now empty. Compression straps are good, but I kind of feel that it could be a little tighter because there's still a bit of give in this. So yeah, that's the only thing I found so far. It's just a little bit loose, but it definitely keeps everything in. Nothing's going to fall out of here. And it's not bulging at the seams either. So in here, I have got the biggest wash bag you can ever imagine. If you want to know what's in here, I've got a video with that. So that's all my wash bag. It is really heavy. I have got my sarong. And then I've got 3 of the packing cubes. I've got this one, which has my swimsuit and my underwear in. And as I say, I could fit loads more in here. In here, the next one, I have got 3 pairs of trousers and 2 pairs of shorts. And again, it fits really well. And the quality of these, I am lost for words. And then in my big one, I have all my tops in here. So I've got 3 t-shirts, 1 shirt, like the white one here, and 2 big long shirts in there as well. And again, I've got loads of room. I could fit so much more in there. So yeah, the packing cubes are excellent. What else is in here? I think that's it for in there. Let's close this up. And then in the top, I have put some cables in there just for easy access at the airport. But I suppose I could put glasses. There's another zip in here with a little bit of expansion. So yeah, you could put something in there, some change or your purse or wallet or something. Let's zip this up so that I can show you what else is in here. The zips are still a bit stiff, but it's just come out the bag. On the back here, I've got my 13-inch MacBook Pro, and it felt quite safe in there. It fits really, really well with this tag that comes down. And there's another little flap if you've got an iPad or something like that, you could fit it in there. I can actually fit my MacBook Pro in there. It is wide enough for it. That'll show you how deep. Oh, and I didn't even notice these. There's 2 more pockets underneath here. Let's take my computer out. And there was 1 more pocket. So good for organising. Here, on the back here, and I almost missed it. There is a little pocket where I've put my purse with my passport hidden away just there. And I've actually just noticed there is another hidden pocket. I didn't even notice that one. And that goes quite deep. All of this white bit, that goes all the way through there as well. And it's got quite nice material in here, actually. I don't think it's waterproof, but yeah, you could put a phone or something for quick access in there as well. I am very impressed. This is the BAGSMART Blast backpack at 28 litres. If you unzip all the way around the bag, I didn't even unzip it to put my stuff in, but you get extra storage, and that will take it from 28 litres up to 32 litres, I believe. I'm not sure whether it would be still classed as a personal item with this bit extended, but if you go away and want to take back some extra gifts, that will be absolutely ideal. But yeah, as I say, I was extremely shocked that everything fits in here, and it's also got a luggage pass-through at the back here, which enables it to stand upright, because some bags you've got to lay them down, but this one, it's got the upright there. It also has a sternum strap, which was very comfortable, and although there's no hip belt, to be perfectly honest, this bag itself is so lightweight, you don't really need a hip belt. And I love the colourway as well.